The sign of a mature SCADA software package is how well it is adapted to users and how the various utilities support the needs of experienced users and technicians that need to maintain the system. Today, we will be doing a brief overview of the various configuration tools and support utilities that are available with the Adroit SCADA software and the reason for their existence. The Agent Configurator is the primary method of viewing, configuring, managing, and editing agents in the Adroit Agent server. It is used to add, edit, delete, scan, log, and monitor any agent within the system. This is the Agent Configurator application interface, and we are looking at an instant of an agent type analog. The name of the analog agent is sample analog. Typically, in a process control system, the primary agents are analogs and digitals. Analog agents represent numbers, and digital agents represent binary states or on and off values in the process. If we have a look at a sample digital agent, it has simply an on-off value. The text property allows you to change these to say, for example, stopped and running, to define what the different states mean. These are normally used for meaningful representation on the operator's screens. If we go to the sample analog agent, we can see its current raw and scaled value is 675. They are equal because what we're using here is a one-to-one scaling between the device span and the engineering span of 0 to 1000. If, for example, we change the engineering maximum to 100, the raw value of 675 will be scaled to 67.5 in the agent because of the 1 to 10 scaling that gets applied to the raw value scanned from the PLC. The configurator is used as the primary interface to all agents and tags within Adroit. Let's now add a new agent to our agent server. We will call it bin1 level, and by default, when you create a new analog agent, the default scaling is 0 to 1000 for the process signal and 0 to 1000 for the engineering value. It is a one-to-one scaling, and you can change this at any time. Apart from process value scaling, you can change any of the alarm levels, including high and high-high, low and low-low alarms, as well as the rate of change for this signal. Let's assume now we want to add a new bin-level agent, called, say, bin2 level. We do this by first selecting bin1 level. We can simply change the 1 to a 2 and click on the copy button. You can see this new agent has been created as a complete copy of the first agent, along with all the properties of the original agent. As you can see, the same high and high-high, low and low-low properties are created for our new agent. All you would need to do would be to change the scan address, and your new agent would be live, along with all its configuration. This is a quick way to create multiple agents of similar configurations. The next video in this series on the Agent Configurator shows how to scan tags to a PLC.